Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you a Smoky Mountain landscape painting that I did recently. It's a little different than some of my other paintings because it's not as technical. I just kind of make it up as I go along. I'm using a lot of paint in this that I had mixed up for other various projects and that I kept in these food storage containers. There's something really satisfying about having all of my paint pre-mixed and ready to go, and I can just start painting. So that's what I did here. I just started sketching out some sky and some mountains and some sunset colors in the background, putting in my mountain range. I didn't use any particular view or reference photo for this. I just kind of made it up based on other landscapes that I've done of the Smoky Mountains. It's funny, probably one of the #1 comments I get of people visiting my gallery studio is that they can't even draw a stick figure, and I tell them, I bet you could paint anything you wanted if you practiced enough. It's all about repetition. And I had a young woman come in a few years ago and she asked, what did she need to do in order to become an artist as a profession? And I asked her, well, when was the last time that you created art? And she said it had been a few years. And I was kind of taken aback and I said, you're going to need to make more time for art. I did mention in a recent video that I'm always listening to an audiobook when I paint. I'm probably a little late to the party, but I just started listening to this series, A Court of Thorns and Roses by Sarah Moss, so I have a few more books to go. Listening to something in long form really keeps me focused while I'm painting. For example, 2 weeks ago, I was super productive because I just started listening to The Stand by Stephen King, which I'd read years ago, but I decided to listen to it in audio form, and it was 47 hours long. So I finished quite a few landscapes during that book. Just a little about this painting. The background was pretty simple, and then I really drew the focus into the front, painting a lot of grasses and then adding some tiny white flowers to make it seem like a field of wildflowers. This painting definitely got me thinking about spring coming. I've had spring breakers coming in and out of the gallery all week. I ended up framing this, which you'll see pictures of at the end of this video, and it did sell pretty quickly, which was nice. I do have prints in my Etsy store if you're interested, and if there's anything you would like to see me paint in the future, just let me know in the comments.